Good evening, my name is second Javier Medina Andrade. To name Jennifer Tovar from the Course of Evaluation and Negotiation of Technology. 19 de marzo 2022. Cause and Effect Diagram. Exercise Processing and Time. Products more tag necessary. Products and here and timed. Not high control of the process. Production with defective raw materials. As generate the uses of machine materials and labor at the ground time. These details generate an unnecessary complication of the final product. Recommendation for the company in Colombia to avoid the identity obstacles to improve the service provided by the Superintendent of Industry and Commerce. In relation to this, I insist at the time of filing a patent application of an type of document accompanying improvements in the service provided by the people in charge of processing this type of document.